Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is just gonna be an update of my Louis Vuitton Rosalie wallet that I had it repaired in Costa Mesa, California, at the Louis Vuitton store. All of the info I will put it in the description box where I had it repaired, and these are all for free, so I didn't pay anything. I didn't pay for the repair and I didn't pay for shipping, so everything is complimentary and they're all free. Okay, so let's open. By the way, I actually left my wallet there for like I think 2 weeks, so yeah. I left it I think Wednesday, but then they texted me Sunday that my wallet is already repaired, or the button or they already changed the button or the stud, press stud. But then it took them I think 1.5 weeks to send it to me, to ship it to me. So the lady from there texted me Sunday that my wallet is already done, and I just got it yesterday. So yesterday was Thursday, and it took like a week and a half. So okay, so another UPS. Okay, there's nothing inside. Yeah. So another UPS package. So they really pack it carefully. It says express, so I don't know like how long it would take them to get the stuff ready and bring it to the UPS store. But definitely maybe they actually like grab all the stuff together that they needed to ship, and then they ship it all at once, to the customers. So we're just gonna rip off the bag. And here it is. Oh, I actually left my wallet without a box. So I have the box with me, but they still put it in a box. And a new dust bag. I don't know if I put it in a dust bag though. I think I just brought the wallet there without the dust bag, because she said that I could take all the boxes and dust bag that I already have, and they still put it in a box. That's nice. Here, oh, they also gave me a paper bag. That's nice. There's nothing in it, and I think this is my receipt right here. Let's see. Okay. And it says here I paid 00. I'm just gonna put it here on the paper bag, and let's open it. Let's see if how it looks like now. Oh yeah, see, look, it's very pretty now. See, I'm gonna post, if you guys haven't watched that video that I posted, which I reviewed this wallet. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Also, I'm gonna like put a picture of how it looks like before I had it repaired. And she said that if I actually needed to get it repaired again, if the same thing happened again to the button, that I could bring it back over there and they're gonna repair it and I don't have to pay anything. So yeah, I really love this wallet. Here we go. There. Yeah. And here you go. Alrighty. So yeah, that's an update, you guys. So thank you, Louis Vuitton. So like, Louis Vuitton really takes care of their customers. So if you guys have any problems with your wallet, just bring it to the repair center and they will repair it for you. So this one I don't have to pay anything, but I've seen like people there who actually pay something. I think they've upgraded other stuff. Like for example, they said for, I don't know, I haven't asked, but one of my friends said that the Victorine wallet has the same press stud button and she had the same problem. So she brought it to the repair center and she wanted it to be like the gold stud hardware, the gold press stud one. And she said she paid $60 for it. So yeah, but me, I didn't pay anything because they just changed the button, like the same button. So yeah, and they said this is like a common problem for this kind of wallet with this kind of button. So if you guys are, you know, like experiencing that kind of problem with your wallet, just bring it to the repair center. You just have to drop off your wallet or, you know, your bags, and they will repair it for you and they will ship it to you for free. Yeah, so I don't know about the other stuff, but this specific one is free. Yeah, so, and I've owned this wallet for like 7 months because I just got this as a gift for my birthday. So yeah, so now I'm gonna start using this wallet because I have been using my other wallet and now I'm gonna use this wallet again. I miss my wallet. It's been out there for 2 weeks. So now she's here and she's beautiful. Again, this is an update of my review of the Rose Ballerine Rosalie coin purse. They call it a coin purse, but I call it a wallet. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.